Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have k square divided by 3 is equals to 3 divided by k square, and we solve this problem for all the values of k, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So we move towards the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to cross multiply the terms. So here we multiply k square with this k square, and it will be written as k square multiplied by k square equals to, we multiply 3 with 3 and it will be written as 3 multiplied by 3. Further, you see here the bases of both of these two terms are same, so we add its exponents and we write it as k to the power of 2 plus 2 is equals to, this is 3 times 3 becomes here 9. And further in the next step we have, this is k to the power of 2 plus 2 becomes 4, and we move this plus 9 in the left hand side and it will become 0 minus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we rewrite this equation as, this is k to the power of 4 minus, this is 9, we write it as 3 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So again we write this k to the power of 4 as into the form of square, so it will become k square and its whole square minus, this is 3 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y, and now we substitute the values of x and y in this above equation. Okay, so after using this formula, our above equation is written as, here our first factor is x minus y, the value of x is k square minus the value of y is 3 into, again the value of x is k square plus the value of y is 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k square minus 3 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write k square plus 3 is equals to 0. From this case we move a minus 3 to the right hand side, and similarly from here we move a plus 3 to the right hand side. And now here our target is to find the values of k. So for this we need to remove the square sign, so that we apply square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root, it will be written as in this form. This 2 and this square root are gone, and here we will get k is equals to, this is square root 3, we write it as plus minus square root of 3. These are the two complex roots, these are the two real roots of the given equation. So in the same pattern you see here, this 2 and square root are gone, and we get k is equals to, this is square root of minus 3, and we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, it will become here iota, and we get here square root of 3 times of iota. Further, you see here again we apply the plus square root sign on both of the sides, so again we write here plus minus sign into the right hand side. So you see that in this method we will get here, these are the four roots of the given equation, in which the two roots are complex roots and the two roots are real roots. And now in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots with the solution or is these roots with the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k square divided by 3 is equals to 3 divided by k square. And in this side, we will be verify k is equals to plus minus square root of 3. And in this side, we will be verify k is equals to plus minus square root of 3 into iota. So we need to verify all the four roots of the given equation. And now here first we substitute k equals to plus minus square root of 3 on both of the sides, and we check its behavior, and when we put it here it will becomes plus minus square root of 3 and its whole square divided by 3 is equals to, this is 3 divided by k square. Again the value of k is plus minus square root of 3 and its whole square. So first we need to simplify these terms, and here you see that when we take the square of a positive term or negative term, it always gives us the positive answer. So this means that the square of plus minus becomes plus, and the square of square root of 3 becomes 3, and it is divided by 3 is equals to, in the same pattern, this is 3 divided by plus minus square root of 3. So again the square of plus minus becomes plus, the square of square root of 3 becomes here 3. So these 3 and these 3 are gone, and we get here 1 is equals to this 3 and this 3 are also gone, and again we get here 1. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the values k is equals to plus minus square root of 3 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern, we need to verify these two roots. So for this, we substitute these two values on both of the sides, and it will be written as plus minus square root of 3 into iota and its whole square divided by 3 is equals to 3 divided by k square. So again our k is plus minus square root of 3 into iota and its whole square. So further you see here, when we again apply the square on positive and negative term, it will become here positive, and the square of square root of 3 becomes 3, and the square of iota becomes iota square divided by 3 is equals to, this is 3 divided by the square of plus minus becomes plus, the square of square root of 3 becomes 3, and the square of iota becomes iota square. So here we see that this 3 and 3 are gone, and we get iota square, and we know that iota square is equals to minus 1. In the same pattern, this 3 and this 3 are also gone, and we get here 1 over iota square, and again iota square is equals to minus 1. So here you see that 1 over minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the values k is equals to plus minus square root of 3 iota is also satisfied our given question statement. So finally, we have the solution set of this problem is plus minus square root of 3 and plus minus square root of 3 into iota. So these are the four solutions of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.